Are credit repair companies legit, or are they just taking your money? Stick around to learn the truth about fixing your credit. Hi, I'm Your Name, and today we're diving into the world of credit repair. Do these companies really help, or can you do it all yourself for free? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take control of your credit and save hundreds of dollars. What credit repair companies promise? They say they'll fix your credit fast, remove negative marks, and boost your score overnight. Sounds great, right? But here's the thing. They can't legally delete true information from your credit report. If it's real, it stays. What they can actually do, credit repair companies can only do what you can do on your own: dispute errors on your credit report. Yep, it's that simple, and you don't need to pay anyone to do it. How to spot scams. Beware of companies that ask for money up front, promise to erase accurate info, or sound too good to be true. Remember, no one has special access to fix your credit overnight. DIY credit repair tips. Here's the better option. Get your free credit report at annualcreditreport.com. Look for mistakes like wrong accounts or late payments you didn't make. File disputes yourself. It's 100% free. Now that you know the truth, are you ready to take control of your credit? Subscribe to my channel for weekly tips on building better credit, saving money, and reaching your financial goals. Smash that like button if this helped, and let me know in the comments. What's your #1 credit question? Let's fix it together.